everyone, welcome to today's advanced gymnastics lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to be going over some drills to train your hurdle into your round off, as well as the end of our round off going into a back handspring. The first drill that we're going to go ahead and do is work our cat back to our hip snap. So the first one I want you guys to do is go ahead and get in front of whatever wall you have in your house, and I want you guys to hold a nice cat back shape here. Remember, for our cat back, our hips need to be flat and our shoulders are nice and rounded. Now from here, I want this to be a fast snap. What you guys are going to do is lift your arms to your head, push your hips into that wall. Yep, let's go ahead and do 10 snaps. Katie, just show them like 2 more. Good. I want you guys to realize how much her hips are really pressing into that wall. That's going to be really important for our snapback. Good. Our next one is we're going to work an actual pike sit to our snapback, and you guys can do this either on whatever carpet you have or a couch or bed, whatever you guys have to use. What you're going to do is go ahead and sit in a pike on whatever surface you have. Good. To start, I want you guys reaching all the way for your toes. Make sure all your muscles are nice and tight. Now when you snap back, it's going to be that same motion where your arms shoot to your head and your hips press up. Go ahead. Good. Let's show them 2 more. Good. I want you guys to notice how she's kind of dragging her arms along, and then at the last second, she's snapping open. There you go. Go ahead and do a set of 10 of those. All right, next we're going to go ahead and work that hurdle into our round off. So what you guys are going to do is decide whichever leg you prefer most, and that's going to be your front leg in your hurdle. What I want you guys to do is just do this hurdle from one leg, and we're going to land in a tight lunge position. So go ahead and take off from your bad leg, hurdle good leg, and tight lunge. Go ahead and show them a few, Katie. Good. Let's do 2 more. Awesome. Let's show them 1 more. Now this hurdle is going to be really important for our round off, because this is going to be what will give us the power to go from a round off to a back handspring. It's going to be a lot harder to go into that back handspring if we're doing the round off only from a step without the hurdle. Okay, so for our next drill, we're going to go ahead and add those shapes that we worked and apply them to our skills. The first skill that we're going to do is a cartwheel step in. We're going to make sure we hurdle into this, and we're going to be landing in a nice pike sit. You can do this either to a couch or a mattress, trampoline, whatever you guys have that is soft enough for you to land on. All right, Caden, go ahead and show us what this cartwheel step in should look like. Nice hurdle. Go ahead and just land in that pike sit. Don't snap open quite yet. I want you guys to do 5 of those just to the pike sit. Now the next step is going to be the same exact thing, but after you land in your pike sit, you're going to go ahead and snap open with that same snap shape that we worked before. Good. I want you guys to also go through and do 5 of those. Now once you finish both of those for the cartwheels, we're going to move on to the same thing for our round off. So we're going to go through that nice hurdle, we're going to do a round off. The first one is just going to be a pike sit. Good. Now, let's do 5 of those as well, and after you finish those 5, let's move on to the full round off to our snapback. Awesome. All right, that'll be it for today's advanced gymnastics lesson. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.